Welcome to the video lecture on financial management. In this video, we are going to see about financial motives. The topics which will be covered in this video are cardinal objectives of organization, Keynesian motives, that is speculation, precaution and transaction. Then the relationship between cardinal objectives and Keynesian motives. Cardinal objectives of organization. The cardinal objectives of an organization are growth, stability, and profitability. These three are the main objectives of any organization. Only the degree of stress on these objectives may vary from organization to organization. That is, some organization will be concentrating more on growth, some will be concentrating more on stability, and some will be concentrating more on profitability while comparing to other two objectives. For example, in case of a purely welfare-oriented organization, the objective of profitability may be zero. However, it is not expected to make loss and more concentration will be given on growth and stability. While growth and stability are necessary objectives of any organization. Keynesian motives. The stability of an organization, including the financial stability, much depends on the policies pursued by the people in it. J.M. Keynes has identified three motives which affect the liquidity considerations, namely speculation, precaution, and transaction. It has also been found that these motives also affect the liquidity of an enterprise or a system. Keynes believed that these three, that is, speculation, precaution, and transaction, are the main motives for demanding or holding the money. We will know about each of the motives in the upcoming slides. Keynesian motive, speculation. In an organization with high motive of speculation, overtrading is resorted to the organization, relying more and more on the borrowed finances rather than proportionately increasing the stakes by self. The capital structure is highly geared and this has an adverse effect on the organizational structural stability, though profitability may appear to be higher in the initial stages. Keynesian motive, precaution. An organization with high motive of precaution cares too high for financial stability and organizational stability. Thereby, it results in lesser profitability for the company. Very high precautionary motive stabilizes but relegates the objectives of the organization to the background. The organization has the tendency to have a lower gearing of the capital structure. Keynesian motive, transaction. An organization actively pursuing the motive of transaction balances the stability and profitability aspects without leaving either. Relationship between cardinal objectives and Keynesian motives. These are the cardinal objectives: stability, profitability, growth. Here comes Keynesian motives and financial focal points. There is one-to-one relationship between general cardinal objectives of an organization, that is stability, profitability, growth, and Keynesian motives, precaution, speculation, transaction, respectively. So also, financial focal points of safety, returns, and liquidity seem to have some correlation with the above factors. That's it for this video. Thank you.